Price discovery. Let us see how to use the final and the most important function of Suppliers Hub, which is price discovery. To begin, you'll have to log on to your owner's dashboard and go to Suppliers Hub. Under Suppliers Hub, you'll find the nested option of price discovery. When clicking on price discovery, you'll already see all the items which are on your watch list in Suppliers Hub, along with the rates displayed for the same. Let us see how to add an item to our watch list. You can click on Add Items to compare, and a screen like so will pop up. Here on the left hand side, you'll find the products and a search box for the same. Let's add a product by the name of chocolate sauce. It will show me the varieties available for chocolate sauce. I'll select the one that I like and click on Save and Compare. A pop-up will say that the item has been added. And here, as you can see, a notification has appeared which says currently suppliers are unavailable. To request suppliers for this product, click here. Clicking on this will let my team know that you require this product, and we'll start searching for vendors. Other than this, if you like to see and delete the items which are on your watch list, you can simply come here and select and delete the particular item. Once discovered, once the right price is found, you can simply click on the price and a pop-up like so will open up. You can click on contact details, give your contact details to the supplier, and they'll contact you back. You can use their contact details to contact them. On the supplier's detail button, you'll be taken to the supplier's company profile. Here you can check out all the details about the supplier, their product catalogs, gallery, and crack a deal with them. This is about price discovery in Suppliers Hub.